Hi guys, welcome to the day 3 of China Plus. Today again, follow us to see the latest development of YIZUMI molding solutions. Today, let's welcome Eric, the Director of Medical Industry, to show us the high efficiency features of our electric injection molding solution.
Yes, this is an electric machine that we specially designed for the medical industry. The machine uses servo control for higher precision with intelligent clamping force, weight, and energy management for stable production. The appearance features smooth, corrosion-resistant spray paint for easy clean. The product area includes clean protection to minimize oil, dust, and static pollution. Meanwhile, the machine is equipped with infrared heaters to improve heat utilization efficiency, thereby effectively reducing energy consumption. The mold collection on the side saves time. Integrated temperature controller, precise space saving, and enhanced site aesthetics. Automatic packing device reduce manual labor.
And what value can it bring to our customers?
We know that in the medical industry, the part quality, efficiency, and energy consumption are very important to the customer. So our machine and our solutions can help customer meet such demand.
The camera now is moving to the quick response PACK3 injection molding machine. With its help, the anti-thread bucket on my hand could be made within 7 seconds.
The traditional production needs to set of equipment and mold. YIZUMI solution merges them into one high-speed packaging injection molding machine and mold set, cutting equipment costs. This solution shortens the cycle time to 7 ± 0.5 seconds and can produce 24,684 sets of tamper-proof every day, improving production efficiency and reducing labor and costs. Using in-mold labeling and automatic assembling technology, no additional processes are required, saving label investment and improving assembling efficiency. Also, it adopts advanced hot runner timing control mode technology to achieve stable and efficient production.
And what kind of advantage could it offer to our customers?
So, YIZUMI introduced the PACK3 high-speed injection molding machine to meet the thin wall packaging trend. It is ideal for molded cavity mold, offering good precision, speed, and rigidity. Plus, it offers turnkey solution and labeling system.
Thank you for watching today. For more details about us, please follow our YIZUMI channel. See you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye.